For making chili idli, we need idlis, cubed onions, cubed capsicum, crushed ginger and garlic, finely chopped spring onions, soy sauce, red chilli sauce, green chilli sauce, vinegar, Schezwan sauce and tomato sauce. First of all, we will take a bowl and cut the idlis in 4 pieces. You can cut them in any shape you want. Heat oil in the pan and fry the idlis until they become crisp from outside. This will take roughly around 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high heat. Once done, take them out in a bowl. In the same pan, add more oil if required and add the crushed ginger and garlic. Fry them for 30 seconds. Take care not to burn them. Now add the cubed onion and capsicum pieces. Fry them for a minute. Do not over fry them as we don't want to lose the crunchiness of the veggies. We will now add vinegar, red chilli sauce, tomato sauce, Schezwan sauce, soy sauce and give everything a nice mix. I forgot to add the green chilli sauce earlier, so I am adding it now. Take a tablespoon of corn flour and mix it with 1/4 cup of water to make corn flour slurry. Now add the slurry in the prepared mixture. At this point, add the fried idli pieces and coat them nicely with the prepared sauce mixture. So here is our chili idli ready. Garnish the chili idli with some finely chopped spring onions. That's all for today's video. Hope you all have liked it. If yes, then please like, comment and share this video with all your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.